Lock in guys, papanoorin tayo sa UOTV.
Food only. Actually, OC. Oh. Dance forward. Yo, can we hammer this? Bash this first. Yo, come back. Careful over the wall. Bash this first. Tanks, you're too deep.
Ilang pa.
Hammer. Actually, no. Come in. Come in here. Be ready on this J. 3, 2, 1. On this J now. Okay, come back. We miss. Perma late. First the Perma. Come southeast. Fast. Ano yung siege? Bakit may siege na naman? Come southeast.
Yung kahapon din.
Going.
Okay, cycle cooldowns now.
O, basag ito. Keep walking lang para may space.
Walang damage.
Just wait.
Looking, diba?
Sige, hammer, just bash it. We need to take more space here. Boys, we're gonna play slow. Take our time here. Be ready. Step up a little bit. Radical, be ready. Take space here. Ready. North shallow. 3, 2, 1. North shallow now. Shallow on me. And then come back.
Gago tayo mga pinapanood.
Take the code. Shaper forward. Nice, good shit, boys. Spread out. Tell me cooldowns, boys.
Ready.
Yo, look at me, north. Look at me, inside northwest, ready, northwest. 3, 2, 1, northwest now, inside. And then come back, ready, be careful. Be ready. Nice healers, good job. Come out, cycle cooldowns again. We need to register more damage here. I need the Incubus mace to set up more.
Uy, dapat bigyan sa.
Yo, stay on the south. Don't stack too much on the sides. Don't stack too much on the sides. Stay on the sides. Focus on the
Yami,
sides.
diyan ka na Yami. Dito ako mag-southeast ako.
Be ready, I'm gonna fake. Okay, hold on now. Ready. Wait, shaper. Be ready, hold the shaper now. Hold the shaper. 3, 2, wait, after J, 2, 1, on the shaper. Kill it. More damage. Good shit, come back. Come back now. Help the east. Nice defense.
Copy.
Heal.
Galaw
Uy,
din.
pasok sa DP.
Heal.
Ang ina, nagtatype pa kasi.
May 8-3 ano yan, Urias ha. May Spearster ha. Na bomba din.
No, go do. Later. Nag-overweight yung healer.
Overweight tong healer, oh.
Hindi, overweight.
Come
Gagawin
outside.
yan.
Come outside. Guys, we're not entering up. Stay on my south. We're not entering up. Listen to me, focus.
May gago, may bedrock sa likod.
Be ready, northwest, ready. Northwest, 3, boots, 2, 1, northwest on me, on me. More damage, DPS. I need you to come deeper.
Ay, matakot.
Cycle cooldowns now. HOJ. Bigyan mo ko angle. Yo, we're gonna HOJ fake, okay? Wait now, come south. Stay on my south. Ilan DPS sa party 2?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Then why are we not killing people? Hold now.
Ito na.
Lock in guys. Okay.
Be ready, north. Ready. Come back. Ready lang, boys. Look, why are we dropping guard rooms here? Let me know, why? Fred. Just be ready. Ready on this one and hammer. Ready. Wait. Ready on the J. 3, 2, 1 on the J now. Come back. Finish. Nice guard rooms there. Come south. All the way south, guys. All the way. Careful. Let me know cooldown.
Sorry.
Cycle your cooldown.
Ready cooldown. Ready.
Actually, this is a good start. Yo, can we posture northeast here? Posture northeast here. Hold on now. Ready, shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Shallow me. Come back. Faster. Perma, faster. Very late DPS. Come south here.
Reset.
Yeah. That's okay. Long reset. Long cooldown. Careful still.
Ready na.
Wait lang po.
Yo, tanks. Let me know what's happening.
Yep. Holding na sila dito.
Uy! Sige lang, we have step, bro. Anong disarray ng bulang bintang? 13.
13. Tapos yung main...
Go, boys, stay on my south. Look, you're stepping up again. I'm not telling you to step up. Stay on my south. Chill. Spread. Be ready. Can we do GA on the west side upstairs, please? On the tank.
Ako.
Be ready, west side DPS.
Medyo si Jet. Cover ko tong north.
Ay, pwede ka na mag-mic
May
dito.
gates lang nila, pwede ka mag-walk. Eto na, nag-engage niya, pwede ka na-engage.
Wait. Jay here. West 3, 2, 1. West now. West on me. Okay, come back.
Engage siya rin sa
Come back.
northwest side mo.
You're fine.
Wala nang engage siya sa taas north.
Okay, copy. Okay.
Pwede kami ulit, Orius ha.
Hi healers,
Ready
don't
na,
go
ready.
overextended north side here, okay? Don't go
Grateful,
overextended
galaw,
north side.
grateful.
Stay on my southeast.
Stay on my
Healers, don't go overextended north side. You could go west side overextended, but never north side. They have watch on the north. Be ready.
Bantayan mo yung green ball northwest ha.
Ready, they're walking up. They're looking. They're looking. Dep. They miss. Ready, I'm gonna fake this. Look inside. Demon. Inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. Oh shit! Utang ina nyo, bobo pa rin kayo. Come down. Come south. Kahit anong gawin, utang ina pa rin. Come south. Be ready. Tell me cool down.
Ready.
Some of the tanks look west.
Yeah, some of the
Copy.
tanks.
Ready, dito ako sa west, sige.
Please north,
Get,
okay, mag-stay
dito ako
ka
sa
north.
west. Okay, dalawa na kayo, dami nyo dyan eh. West na ako.
Come back. Too tight here. Too tight. Come southeast, boys. Play slow. Play chill. This is not our fight.
Pull out kayo dyan, Eugene. Playbook.
Yeah, Raybok, be careful on the front. Ready, we're gonna fake on the J. Radical yung W mo lang. Ano mo ah. Come back.
Nag-engage lang nila, part. Pwede kayo GA.
Wait lang, no. We're gonna fake on this J. Ready, radical. Fake. Okay, come back. Ready on the J. 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay, nang mo, kala mo di ka makakatay. Come back. Help our boys on the front. Good shit, healers. Come back. Na-separate ko na. Tanks. Na-separate ko na. Hold on.
Playbook ko lang gagawin yung ano mo, fruit bound mo.
Raybok, i-chill mo yan. Wait now. Ready, J on the west side, west ng crown. J mo na?
Wait lang. Wala pa, hindi walang nag-step up.
Nasa beach sila, nag-hug.
Hindi, i-J mo tong GA dito sa west. I-J mo to. I want to kill the tank.
Sige.
J na.
Medyo malapit na yung ano.
Ready, west. 3, 2, 1. West now. Nice. Come back, boys. Nice, of course. Take the call. Have your tanks on the front. Nice, good shit. Tanks, we're too deep. Yeah.
Looking yan ha. Green ball, looking yan ha. Ingat ha.
Yo. Come back. Argo, masyado kayo nag-aano dyan ha. Malayo yung healers mo. Spread. Careful, boys. I need guard rooms on chokes next time, okay? We need to perfect that.
Ito GA yun.
Wait. No, we're gonna do witchwork engage. Hold on. Look. North of the crown. Just on top of the crown. North side. 3, 2, 1. North of the crown. And then come back. Nice locus. Come back. Sila nag-engage. Yeah. Can we poke this guy? Okay. Sige lang. Cycle cooldown. Yo, do I have tanks backline? Be careful. DPS backline, okay?
Check ko. Nag-rotate ako.
Be ready. Look. Wait.
7 seconds for us.
Be ready, boys. On the J again. 3, 2, 1. On the J again. And then come back. Nag-engage na sila. Wala, kaka-engage natin. Cycle down. Cycle pass. Can you cycle pass? Let me know. If you can cycle pass. Come north side. In shop. Step up a little bit.
Ready kami.
Step up a little bit. J mo nga, Jet. Give me J.
Ayun, hatak.
Give me J, yeah. Come back a little bit. Ready. Give me guard runes here. Guard runes on the
Soldiers
crown.
sa northwest just ha.
Give me guard rune on the crown. Be ready. Guard rune on the crown. Guard rune na, please. Dep. Ready. Counter. 3, 2, 1. Inside. Tangin mo, binigay mo. Come back. Locus
Color
clear.
locking, ping.
Yeah.
Pick na.
Kalma.
Easy lang, easy lang.
Nahatak na ako, partner.
Be ready.
Reaction time.
Parang,
10 seconds Julius ah.
Listen, focus again. Come back south, come back south. Take the
Parang-
okay?
parang
Yo,
Zed
can you
lang,
spam
ah.
guard runes here? Can you give me guard runes now? Give me guard rune now. Give me guard rune now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. On me. Slow this up.
Okay, boss. Walang engage yung pink
More damage. Come back. Reset now, reset. Cycle cooldown southside. Hindi ba kayo na-GA doon? DPS?
ready.
Good. Okay, guard runes. That's how you put guard runes, okay? Spread now. Be ready. We're gonna come up west side a little bit. We're gonna shallow, okay? Hold on. Give me tanks north side. Be ready. Ready over the wall west here. Be ready over the wall. 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. And then come back. They're looking. They're stepping up. That's fake. Nice cleanses. Come back. Cycle cooldowns now. Help your tanks guard your support, please.
Doon north mo. Likod natin.
Come south. It's okay. Come south. Actually, come northwest now. Come northwest here. Come northwest. Come north. Out north. Give me delay from the west side.
Pushing us na.
Yeah. Come. Ready. Yo. Dep. Ready. Look at me. Southeast on the J. 3, 2, 1. On me.
Bantay.
And then come back. Kite now. Ready. Dep. Go. Heal here. Soak them damage, boys. Soak the damage. Come north.
Ready kami,
Yeah. Come north. Listen to me. Come north. Ready. Come north. Stabilize. I know. Stabilize. Good shit, boys.
I almost died. What the hell?
Yeah, I know. Nice healers. Good shit.
Heal little, please. Heal little.
Asan si Little? What are they doing?
Yung engage na yun.
Yeah, we need better stuff there, DPS. Thanks. Be ready. South on the bend. 3, 2, 1. South on the bend. Okay, come back now. They're looking. Spread north. Be careful my tanks. Give me guardian for the tanks. Nice stop, baby. Good job. Come north. DPS, let me know.
Ready.
Careful over this wall west side here, okay? Ready.
Okay, bantayan ko yung west mo.
Wait.
Don't stand here on me.
Don't have the wall west.
Come back north. Stay on my north. No, stay on my north. Give me guard rune on the crown now.
Jet map check.
Give me guard rune on the crown. Ready, south shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. On the tank. I need for you to be faster, boys. Can we yo, come back. Just walk it out. Nice of come back. Take down. Kulat na. Nangabak lang kulang.
Ready ulit.
Map check.
15 seconds
DPS ready.
Willow
Once
shot.
pinaway, ping 300 once pinaway sa west mo.
Come back. Stop mixing up with me, boys. Look. Their colors looking. Look at this guy. 3, 2, 1 on this guy. Where my heart? Kill him. Come back. No more color. Come north, boys. Stop looting. Come north. Look, they're running. Come south here. Actually, come back.
Turn magta-turn to.
Yeah. Come back. Look. They're looking on the wall. Come back, boys. Give me cleanses locus now. Dep. Ready. I'm gonna fake thief.
Oh, healers
Look at
sila
me.
sa south
Look at
Orchis,
me. Demon inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this out. And then come back. Pull out. Take the ult. Layer the. Yeah. They're pushing. Yeah. They're pushing. Yep. Bedrock now. Bedrock them out. Get them out of us. Get them out of us.
DPS
Tell me
ready.
cooldown, boys.
natin.
Tell me cooldown, boys.
Ready.
Wait. Hold. Keep kiting. Spread. Ready. Potion. Take your potion. Dep the southeast. Ready, southeast. 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Push. Mga tanga. Gago. Come north. Yeah. Come north. More north. Yeah. Keep kiting first. Our permadead. Keep kiting first. Yo. Okay. Come back. Yo, take your space. Better spaces. Yo, heal Haru.
Ito mo na heal yan.
May perma ba sa party ko?
Look at me. Shallow. Be ready.
So don't stand on the west side. Don't
Be,
stand.
be careful. Ready. Radical. Tabihan mo nga yung mga tactics. Come back, boys. Come back.
Wait, don't go west.
Ready. Yo. Use your boots, bro. Heal up. They're looking. Heal green here. Heal green bull. They're looking. Ready on the J. 3, 2, 1 on the J. Mga DPS, mga tanks. Come back now. Take the occult north. Yo, punish this guy. Yeah, monkey mouth. Occult north. Are they pushing us or no?
QW.
No. Separate na naman. Separate na.
Sige, push them out. Ready inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow him up. Okay, come back fast. Go north side. Go southeast now. Southeast. Step. Help the west. Yo, help the west. Come south, man. Come south. More. Help counter front. Help your front. Spread out. Spread east. Spread on the east. You need to spread on the east. Ready, spread. Look at me. North side on the wall. 3, 2, 1 on the wall. Blow this up. Good shit. And then demon. Push the demon. Oh man, get out. Everybody get out. Take the port and then get out. Guys, you have to fucking focus. Our tanks died on the fucking first fight. Out. Everybody out.
Utang na lang ako pa nahila.
Out.
Circle
Good fight. Tayo na napindot kay cleric. The fuck?
Positions na lang talaga dun sa last.
It's all about
Bulan
positioning
sa
the
east.
tanks. The tank. Look, tanks. They're waiting.